What's up, team? Sean for us to live here, and we are doing our weekly update on our options challenge. Did 100K in premium from selling calls and puts, mostly puts though. This is going to be a really short video. As always, not financial advice. Always do your own research, and I'm going to start sharing right away because I don't want to waste any time. So let me share my screen. And the reason I don't have much to share is I didn't actually make any trades, and let me tell you why. This was a bit of a volatile week. It was a short week. It was also a week where I never felt good about anything that was out there. And I also didn't have much to work with, and I'll tell you why. All of my previous week's positions were assigned, which I wasn't surprised, but I was surprised a bit by how negative this week was on pricing. So none of those positions entered a profitable trade range. I didn't feel like the premium available for the calls was not what I wanted. So this is going to be a short video. I basically decided there was nothing worth the while and worth the risk, so I didn't take it. So essentially here we have no trades in week 15, just to show you the actual number here. Again, I was expecting about 750. I didn't end up making any trades, but I'm more than covered by the previous 2 weeks as far as the excess earnings there. So that's it. That's what I did. Not much to share, not much to show. I just want to end with this. If you're not comfortable or you don't feel like there's a good trade, don't take it. What I'm also going to do is review changing my strategy a bit, still sticking with selling puts and calls, but I'm thinking about a little bit longer duration to try to generate some of the larger numbers I need to hit some of these goals. And I'm going to be targeting some of the more expensive stocks. We're going to talk a bit about Tesla as well, because I think with some of the news about future price targets coming out in that space makes for a potentially interesting play in selling puts across a 4-week time horizon as opposed to my typical 1-week horizon here as well. This will stretch the limits of what I can do though, and I also have to make sure that if I'm assigned, I'm protecting myself. So a little bit of extra things to talk about from a caution perspective, but that's it. It's a short one. Thanks so much for watching. Always appreciate it. And we're still on track, and I think we're going to get there, but it's going to be a little bit tough. We're going to have to get a little bit more strategy focused and less on tactics. So with that, hey, have a good one. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate the time. Thanks, everybody.